when we should sleep. No better company I keep. Old record spinning round, quiet rooftop city sounds with you. With the moonlight, if we keep quiet, we could have the world to ourselves. Just a little while longer. Can have the world to ourselves. Just a little while longer. The best of dark and light, conversing like this night with you.
Mitchell, this really has been letter upon letter, hasn't it? But at least this one's for your eyes only. Can't believe it's finally here, our wedding. We've come a long way from two teenagers trying to find their way. I've been hard to love, made mistakes, I've always been there to pick up the pieces and love me more. I don't know what I ever did to deserve someone like you, but my luck changed when you decided you wanted me. I love you more than you can ever comprehend. See you at the wedding.
Mitchell, I'm here in front of those closest to us to give you everything that I am. My dreams, my fears, my triumphs, and my failures. There's an abundance of those. I know I'm not the easiest person to love. I have walls upon walls, yet you have worked at this piece by piece, day by day, year by year. You have shown me how to be vulnerable, to show love and be loved. I'm unsure that many others understand our relationship. The banter, the arguing, the overeating, laughing until our stomachs hurt, succession planning, and of course our day naps. When I say I love you, what I mean is I love what you are, what you do, and how you try. I have seen your kindness and your strength. I have seen the best and the worst of you. You are giving, kind, soft, emotional, and have a heart bigger than most I know. Relationships are hard, yet the most rewarding job there is. And I know I get to crawl into bed with my best friend, the weirdest, most annoying, yet perfect person I have ever met. Makes it all worthwhile. Mitchell, please know I see you. I see the real you, and I see with perfect clarity that you are the one I choose, whom I choose over all others. Very simply and very truly, to love you.
Shannon, you have shown me what it means to be in love with somebody. Not just to love someone, but to truly be in love. Unconditional, unwavering. Putting my feelings into words to write these was such a challenge, and I realised why. There is no words nor phrase that can capture and express what you mean to me. You are my best friend, biggest challenge, and you are the love of my life and make me happier than I can imagine. There's no doubt you made me a better person through your love, and every day I try to do and be better to show you my gratitude. I can't imagine my life without you. You brighten my day and settle my soul. I'm blessed to have you by my side. Shannon, you're my biggest inspiration. Everything I've achieved and aspire to achieve in the future is for you. Shannon, you are selfless beyond belief, always putting everyone else's welfare before yourself. I guess that's what makes you, to use your own words, the best social worker in Newcastle. Your compassion and dedication and morality make you not only an amazing social worker, but the amazing woman I want to spend my life and raise a family with. Today we say I do, but what that means for me is I will. I'll stand beside you for the best and the worst. I'll love you, I'll laugh with you, cry with you, fight with you, and build with you. Loving what I know of you, trusting what I don't yet know, I give you myself, my love, I give you my everything, the good, the bad, and the yet to come.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it, took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me, imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. Make my heart race in a hurry, lose my every worry, every second I'm with you. We'll turn all the pages, check off all the places, every day is something new. Don't that sky look blue? Yeah. It come fly away with me, imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me. You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it, took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me, imagine all the